बाल्को प्रबंधन ने नवनियुक्त प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों का स्वागत धूमधाम से किया। कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन बाल्को के मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी श्री रमेश नायर ने किया। श्री नायर एवं बाल्को अधिकारियों ने प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों से कहा कि बाल्को में कैरियर विकास के अनेक अवसर मौजूद हैं। अधिकारियों ने नए इंजीनियरों को उत्कृष्ट कार्य प्रदर्शन के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया।
नए प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों के स्वागत कार्यक्रम में बाल्को के मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी श्री रमेश नायर के अलावा मानव संसाधन प्रमुख श्री अमित जोशी, संयंत्र 2 प्रमुख श्री दीपक प्रसाद, ऊर्जा सह उपाध्यक्ष श्री अटानु घोष चौधरी सहित अनेक बाल्को अधिकारी मौजूद थे। बाल्को अधिकारियों का स्वागत पुष्प गुच्छों से किया गया। श्री नायर और श्री जोशी ने अपने उद्बोधन में प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों को उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं दी।
Welcome to all the new GETs from I think various parts of the country, I'm sure, yeah. And it's a pleasure, it's always nostalgic to address GETs because I started my career as GET in 1991, and it's always I always recollect those days, and then but things have changed, times have changed. Those are the days when jobs were less, and the work culture is very different. But now the work culture is very different in the companies, and all of you are very fortunate to be part of a very fast-growing Indian multinational, I would say, that is Vedanta, which has got, I'm sure you have learned, presence in various metals, various geographies. And when I saw Vedanta, there was no Vedanta at that time. That is in 2000 when I joined. It was just Sterlite with one single plant in Tuticorin, that's copper operations, with 1,500 crore turnover. And from there in 2001, I think the big turning point for the group was the acquisition of this company, Balco. And that's when a lot of us got transferred into different parts, and then a lot of leadership team from Sterlite took over Balco. That is in the year 2001, I don't know which month, I forgot, May I think, March. And then 2002 the takeover of Zinc, and then 2003 October or December was when Vedanta was listed in London Stock Exchange. Basically that is the first Indian metal mining company to be listed on the LSE. Groups have subsequently done much later than that, but then we were the first to be there. And after that, I think 2004 was Sesagova, and then what you have heard, Kane, and that's how the journey has been. And I've been witness to that. But it's nice. I think if you enjoy career here, it's a wonderful place. I'm sure you had some bit of issues when you joined, and but then this is like you have been you've gone through fire already, so already you're much more prepared. Maybe some experiences which you should have had much later in life, you probably got much earlier in life. So probably that will make you much better managers as you go forward. So I wish you all the best.
That was a very inspiring.
As to your journey in Vedanta, you have various platforms, as I have told you, to show your excellence. You can participate in various improvement projects. You can participate in various extracurricular activities, and that is what the great leaders have done, that they have marked their presence by some way or other in the system, so that they are eye-catching. They just come to the notice of the senior management, they just come to the notice of the leaders who can just pick them up.
इस अवसर पर प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों ने गीत, नृत्य और संगीत के इंद्रधनुषी कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किए।
चुटकी सिंदूर, एक चुटकी सिंदूर, समझ रहे हैं ना आप लोग? एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो आलोक बाबू, ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद होता है। एक चुटकी सिंदूर सुहाग के सर का ताज होता है।